Stop scrolling and listen. Ever sneezed after looking at the sun or a bright light? Like, why are you sneezing at the sun? Well, turns out your brain's being super dramatic. It's called the A-Shu syndrome or photic sneeze reflex, and it affects about 25% of people. It's quite common, don't worry. What's happening is that your brain wires for light and sneezing get mixed up. When bright light hits your eyes, the optic nerve sends a signal to your brain, but it accidentally triggers the trigeminal nerve too, which controls your nose. So instead of just squinting, you sneeze. Humans are weird, right? Hey, thanks for watching. Did you know only 0.8% of viewers are subscribed? That means 99.2% of you are missing out on awesome content. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button and join the cool crew. Let's make sure you never miss out on the fun again.